Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. आज मैं बना रही हूँ ईद उल अज़हा की स्पेशल रेसिपी कलेजी. So let's get started. Ingredients that you need: kaleji 600 grams, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 3 tomatoes, grinded makeup paste, 2 green chilies, coriander for garnishing, crushed whole red chilies 1.5 tablespoon, roasted and crushed coriander 1.5 tablespoon, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, all spices powder 1/4 teaspoon. In a wok, add oil, ginger garlic paste, stir it until it gets golden. Add tomato paste, all spices, cook until oil separates. Add green chili paste, add liver, cook on high flame for 10 minutes. Cook until oil separates. Garnish with coriander and it's ready to serve. I hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends, family members. Thanks for watching.